They want a chip. Can you tell me how old you are?
Here, I'm 2.
You're 2? Can you smile real big? Say cheese. Don't grind your teeth. Say cheese. What happened to your head? How'd you get a bruise?
Goo.
Goo? What did he do?
He fell.
He fell and bumped your head? Can you stick your tongue out at me? Go, Can you say trick or treat?
Look at you.
Are you feeling better?
Yes.
Say it again. Are you feeling better?
Yes.
Look at the camera and say yes. Are you feeling even better?
Yes.
Look at the camera.